Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. In today's video, you will be watching the Spanish conversation. English translation will be given after each clip. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's get started.
Hola, Krishneel, ¿cómo estás?
Hello Krishneel, how are you?
Mira, lo que pasa es que te llamaba para invitarte a cenar esta noche. Y entonces te quería invitar al restaurante Los Chinos para poder comernos allí un chaula.
Actually, I called you to invite you for dinner tonight. Yes, and therefore I wanted to invite you to the Chinese restaurant so we could eat chicken fried rice. Muchas gracias, pero no me gusta chaula fan. Soy vegetariana. Oh, thanks a lot, but I don't like chicken fried rice. I'm vegetarian.
No hay problema, entonces vamos a comer comida vegetariana.
No problem, so let's go and eat vegetarian food. Bien, es que yo no tengo dinero. Fine, but I don't have money.
Claro, yo voy a pagar la cuenta, ahora tengo mucho dinero.
Of course, I'm going to pay the bill. Now I have a lot of money. Qué buena, estaba bromeando. ¿Vamos a las 7? Adiós. It's good. I was just kidding. Let's go at 7 p.m. Adios. Bye bye.